Jetzt Fleck ist immer schön. Ist sehr schön.
Schön, yeah. So actually my dad bought an excavator from China. It arrived yesterday. It took like 6 weeks via ship and another 4 weeks from Rotterdam to like where we live in Germany. And apparently he's like unboxing it. Came in a plywood box. It was like pretty well packed. It arrived like undamaged. And now we're seeing it for the first time. So now the box is open, finally. And it was like really well packaged.
No damage.
No damage at all.
No damage.
You can see the excavator.
Very good condition. Everything. Wow, super. Super nice, man.
It's actually pretty well equipped. We just saw it also has on like a radio. You can listen to some music while you're working. It has like a fan in case it gets too hot in the summertime.
Light inside. Inside lights.
There's lighting inside
Light,
also.
fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher is also here.
Needs a lot of shovels. Yeah.
It's like brand new. It was like built in June 30, 2025. It's from Skott. In case you're interested, check them out. Link is in the description below. Not sponsored, by the way.
Yeah, a lot of shovels. Shovels are nice. Gripper. Nice gripper. The gripper
So you can like open like a old pavement or something.
gripper is a smaller shovel and 200 millimeter and 600 millimeter and 400 millimeter. Yeah?
But you ordered the extended like packaging
And
for
forklift.
more shovels
And forklift also included.
and a forklift as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. There's like a rubber chain. Like even a temperature gauge for us. Fuel oil tank. There's some fuel in it.
Cooling temperature. Cooling temperature.
It has like a Chinese small diesel engine. How many cylinders does it have?
3 cylinders.
3-cylinder Chinese diesel engine.
And 35 horsepower.
35 horsepower. Actually, the build quality is like surprisingly good. I mean, looks like pretty solid. In blue. So you can see the engine below the engine cover. It's actually pretty solid, yeah. This.
Pretty, huh? Oh, super. Nice, huh?
Came yesterday with a lorry from Rotterdam, so we had to get a forklift just for yesterday, get it down from lorry, and now we put it in our garden, our backyard. And happy.
Happy, huh?
Happy.
The hydraulic tank is full, oder? Yes,
Even has a light up here. Looks pretty nice. As you can see, everything is like brand new, still packed. It's like for moving forward and backwards. Also has like the side stick, the joystick control, which is like really cool. Don't know what this is. Even has a small toolbox with it. I don't know what's in here. It's like some spare oil filters and air filters, I suppose, and like a how to operate operation manual for the excavator, which is like also really cool.
Easy, yeah.
Wow. Oh, cool, a spare oil filter.
Perfect, yeah. English is
It's even English, guys, so not in just Chinese.
perfect, yeah.
So this is some safety glass. Even has a wiper, you know, which is really cool. Some more lights up here. Hydraulic tank for the hydraulic fluid, like a temperature gauge or something. Yeah, pretty cool. You can see the cabin looks like quite small, but it's actually quite decent. My dad is like almost 190 meters tall, and he still has plenty of space inside the cabin. Can even adjust the seat fully backwards.
SD card. Wahnsinn.
You have an SD card slot for your radio, which is really cool. You have your light controls up here. Pretty cool. So here I have the Skott excavator again, with all the accessories. I think my dad ordered like the extra accessory package, which came with like a forklift, some additional shovels and like a claw, so you can open up some pavement. And now we're filling up the tank with diesel, the diesel engine as mentioned beforehand. So the tank is like quite empty before we do the startup for the very first time. So in case you're wondering, the tank is like below the floor of the operator. It's like hidden here below the carpet. We're pumping some gas. I must say the building quality is like surprisingly good. It's like
Very good.
it's very good, yeah. It's like no like sharp edges or something. It's like everything is very clean and neat. There's like some inlets for engine cooling. It's a water cooled engine, by the way. And here we have the fluid level of the hydraulic. It's full apparently currently. So we just checked the oil. Apparently everything is like done already from the factory, so you can just basically like ready to fly. You can just hop in and start
the engine, yeah.
the engine and have some fun, I guess. Now he's starting the engine for the first time. You have to preheat the engine like every other diesel engine. Takes like 1 minute apparently. Then you can start the engine up.